Welcome to this session, part of the Skilled MBA case study series. Today, we explore Patel Brothers, a leading ethnic grocery retailer serving the Indian diaspora in the United States. As the market evolves with changing demographics, digital commerce growth, and competitive pressures, Patel Brothers must adapt to maintain its leadership. In this case study, we will analyze the company's challenges, strategic options, and recommendations for sustainable growth. Let's begin with an overview of Patel Brothers and its current market position. Patel Brothers is the largest Indian grocery chain in the U.S., operating 51 stores across 19 states. The company benefits from an established presence, serving generations of Indian American families, a strong distribution network, with its Raja Foods subsidiary managing over 700 ethnic products, family leadership, with Rakesh Patel as co-CEO, overseeing strategic direction. Despite this strong foundation, Patel Brothers faces several challenges. 3 key challenges define Patel Brothers' current strategic dilemma. Evolving demographics. The Indian diaspora is changing, with younger generations having different shopping habits and preferences. Digital transformation. A post-pandemic shift toward e-commerce requires Patel Brothers to build a stronger online presence. Growth imperative. To sustain success, Patel Brothers must expand its footprint and services in a highly competitive market. To address these challenges, Patel Brothers can consider 4 strategic options. Patel Brothers has 4 potential pathways for growth: geographical expansion, expanding into untapped markets, particularly on the West Coast; product diversification, adding new services such as healthcare, pharmacy, and financial products; digital transformation, strengthening omnichannel retailing to integrate online and in-store experiences; marketing adaptation, realigning marketing strategies to connect with younger, diverse consumer segments. To evaluate these options, let's conduct a SWOT analysis. Patel Brothers has several strengths: established brand with high customer loyalty, deep understanding of the ethnic grocery market. However, weaknesses exist: limited digital presence, making it difficult to compete with online retailers; potential resistance to rapid change given the company's family-run structure. There are growth opportunities Patel Brothers can leverage: expanding into untapped markets like the West Coast, diversifying into complementary services such as healthcare and financial products. However, external threats include rising competition from mainstream grocery chains and online platforms, changing consumer expectations, requiring continuous adaptation. To navigate these dynamics, Patel Brothers must embrace key business concepts for retail growth. 4 fundamental concepts drive retail strategy in a changing marketplace: market segmentation, tailoring offerings to different consumer demographics within the Indian diaspora; Ansoff Matrix, a strategic framework for expansion and product diversification; omnichannel retailing, integrating online and offline customer experiences; resource-based view, leveraging internal strengths for long-term competitive advantage. Now, let's examine each strategic option in more detail, starting with geographical expansion. Expanding into new markets, particularly on the West Coast, presents both opportunities and challenges. Pros: increased market penetration and revenue potential; access to new customer segments in diverse metropolitan areas. Cons: high upfront costs in real estate and operations; market entry risks, including competition and logistical challenges. Key considerations for this strategy include demographic analysis, real estate investment, and supply chain adaptation. Beyond groceries, Patel Brothers could expand into complementary services, healthcare services, offering pharmacy, wellness products, and Ayurvedic medicines. Financial services, providing remittance, insurance, and banking partnerships. Food service, introducing ready-to-eat meals, catering, and restaurant collaborations. Core grocery expansion, enhancing premium and specialty product offerings. A diversified product portfolio strengthens customer retention and revenue streams. Building a strong omnichannel retail strategy is crucial. Key digital initiatives include e-commerce platform, a seamless online shopping experience, real-time inventory management, synchronizing stock between physical and digital stores, delivery network, expanding last-mile delivery partnerships, data analytics, using customer insights to drive personalized marketing. A well-integrated digital approach enhances customer engagement and operational efficiency. Consumer behavior varies across three key segments: traditional customers, first-generation immigrants seeking authentic homeland products, second-generation consumers, tech-savvy shoppers blending Indian and American lifestyles. Crossover audience, non-Indian consumers exploring ethnic foods and culture. Marketing strategies must be tailored to these diverse consumer groups. A modern marketing approach requires digital engagement, strong social media presence and influencer partnerships, content strategy, recipe videos, cooking tutorials, and cultural storytelling. Loyalty programs, personalized rewards across physical and digital channels, community building, hosting festivals and cultural events to engage customers. Now, let's explore the challenges Patel Brothers may face during implementation. Patel Brothers must overcome 4 key challenges: family business dynamics, balancing tradition with innovation, technology integration, investing in modern systems and staff training, operational complexity, managing expanded product lines and services, competitive response, preparing for aggressive market reactions from rivals. Next, we evaluate the potential impact of each strategy. Each strategic option is assessed based on strategy option, market potential, investment, complexity, profitability, geographical expansion, high, medium term, product diversification, medium, high long-term digital transformation, high long-term marketing adaptation, medium, low short-term. Now, let's summarize key lessons and recommendations. From Patel Brothers' growth strategy analysis, 4 key lessons emerge for navigating an evolving marketplace. Strategic adaptability. In the rapidly changing retail industry, businesses must remain flexible and responsive to shifting demographics, technology trends, and consumer preferences. Patel Brothers must balance its traditional strengths with modern retail strategies to stay competitive. Digital innovation. The post-pandemic shift to e-commerce highlights the importance of a strong digital presence. Investing in an omni-channel retail strategy, integrating online shopping, delivery, and in-store experiences is no longer optional but essential for long-term success. Demographic alignment. Consumer expectations evolve over time. The younger, tech-savvy generation and crossover audiences, including non-Indian consumers, are shaping the future of ethnic grocery retail. Patel Brothers must tailor its marketing, product offerings, and customer experience to reflect these changes. Brand legacy. While expanding and modernizing, Patel Brothers must also preserve its authenticity and core values. Maintaining strong ties with the Indian community, continuing to provide traditional and culturally significant products, and fostering a sense of heritage and trust will be crucial to sustaining customer loyalty. These lessons serve as a foundation for Patel Brothers' future strategy and expansion plans. Next, we move on to the final recommendations for ensuring long-term success. To ensure long-term success, Patel Brothers should invest in omni-channel retailing, enhance both online and offline shopping experiences, expand cautiously into new markets, Prioritize strategic West Coast locations. Diversify services. Explore healthcare and financial offerings. Continuously reassess strategy. Use consumer insights and market trends to refine decisions. By implementing these strategies, Patel Brothers can sustain its market leadership. Thank you for your time. This session was part of the Skilled MBA case study series. I look forward to your questions and insights.